Hello there folks and welcome back. My name's Steven and today we're reviewing this awesome backpack that I got for those short day hunts or all day hunts, but not for multi-day hunts. That's right, this is the Alps Outdoorz Z Hybrid X backpack. Now this is going to replace my Alps Outdoorz Z EPS. The EPS has worked great for me for years, but I wanted something with a little bit better technology, a little bit more durable and lightweight, and this fits the bill. This features 1680D ballistic nylon construction as well as Lycra padded shoulder straps and waist belt for added comfort. It has these nice loops here so you can attach stuff to the outside of the backpack. It's pretty lightweight too. This backpack weighs 6 pounds 13 ounces and fits 45 liters or has a cubic inches of 2,750 cubic inch backpack or 45 liters. So this is quite a large backpack really for day use. You could almost extend this to 2 or 3 day use if you needed to, but I think it's perfect for one all day trip in the mountains. What's awesome about this Hybrid X is that it can transition from a carrying pack to a meat hauler very easily and efficient. But first let's look at this high quality nylon fabric. It's a little bit loud, but it's not extremely loud. And it's much lighter weight than the fabric on the Alps Outdoorz EPS pack. Also, the zippers on this are YKK high quality zippers with huge oversized finger loops that have a rubber coating on them so that you can easily grab them by one hand. Down here on the bottom, if I can show you, you can unzip this pouch, and inside here is a sling for a rifle, a little pouch so you can put the butt of your rifle or your bow into it. Also, you can unzip this front portion right here all the way open and access the main compartment, and it also has these nice webbing pouches right here with zippers so you can put like an extra set of batteries, clothes, food, you name it, an emergency kit right here, easy to access. So I like that it has that quick access pouch right in the front. Has tons and tons of straps and areas to hook stuff on. On the right side here has a webbing pouch for an extra, bottle. On the left side, same thing, an elastic webbed pouch for anything you want to put in there. Coming around to the frame of the pack, you have a huge oversized high quality nylon loop for holding it or hanging it. You have your lifter or load lifting straps here on the top. Not all backpacks have that, and that's very vital for pulling the load close and up onto your shoulders. Has a nice loop right here on either side to attach things to. And I love that it has this little loop. You can attach webbing right here. I love that it has those added. That allows you to tuck straps out of the way, but also adds you to attach or put your water bladder hose through it if that's what you utilize in the backpack, as well as this is made for use with a platypus or a water bladder system. Back here has very high quality, high density foam panels that are extremely comfortable, and the fabric is very soft to the touch. The waist belt, same thing, ultralight, high density foam, yet it's comfortable, absorbs a lot of impact and shock, and I like that it has this nice lumbar padding that's good size. Let's go ahead and throw this on so I can kind of show you what it looks like here. Has this nice thick webbing belt. Clip that in place. One thing I really like about this is that to adjust your waist belt, you just pull forward on these two straps. Really quick, super easy. Loosen them up, you pull back on this tab right here, and they pull out. So it's extremely easy to adjust your waist belt, something you don't see on every pack. Super easy. Love this system. Love that you can just pull this forward real tight right on you, quick. Also has your sternum strap and a little flexible nylon area so that you can still breathe even with it tight, as well as a little extra loop right here, which is great for attaching a loop that holds on your rifle. If you use one of those side rifle slings, this is a perfect pack. Also has a nice zippered pouch on each side so you can keep a first aid kit, emergency supplies, or some snacks right on your waist. Now let's go ahead and show you how this comes apart. It's super slick. On the side here, you just unbuckle these two buckles, on either side. By the way, the H2O hole for your water bladder, is right there. You unhook these, undo the loops at the top here, they slip right off, and then undo 2 at the bottom. Now you have a frame pack system. Has your over loops right here that you can use if you just want to attach something right there, or you can go even further, undo these, open it all the way up, attach tons of meat in here. It's got even a little pocket inner flap for your water bladder still, so you can still utilize that. And then it's got even more straps on the inside. You can haul a ton of meat with this thing super easily. And what I love about this system is that it's really fast and simple. When you're tired out in the field and you're trying to pack out and out by yourself, you don't have extra energy to deal with complicated stuff. And so this allows you to do this really simply and easily. Now coming forward to the bag part again, on the bottom here on the inside has another zipper. This opens up and there's an included backpack rain cover, which is just totally awesome. Added little benefit, it comes with that pack. So go ahead and check it out.